Welcome to another deep dive into the wisdom of the Bible. Today we're going to explore Isaiah 66, verse 13. As a mother comforts her child, so will I comfort you, and you will be comforted over Jerusalem. This verse offers a profound image of God's comfort, likening it to a mother's care for her child. It conveys a message of love, solace, and the restoration of a sacred place. Isaiah's choice to use a mother's love as a metaphor for God's compassion is striking. It reflects the tenderness and nurturing qualities of God. It reminds us that God's love is not only powerful but also comforting, like a mother's embrace during moments of distress. The verse assures us that God's comfort is forthcoming. Just as a child finds solace in their mother's arms, we can find refuge and consolation in God. This promise is particularly meaningful during times of hardship and adversity, when we may seek reassurance and hope. The latter part of the verse mentions being comforted over Jerusalem. This refers to the restoration of a sacred city. In a broader context, it signifies the healing and restoration of all that may have been broken or lost. It's a message of renewal and hope, reminding us that even in times of destruction, there's a promise of rebuilding and wholeness. Isaiah 66:13 teaches us to view God's love and care through the lens of a mother's devotion. It encourages us to approach our relationship with God with trust and childlike faith, knowing that we are cherished and protected. How can we apply this verse to our lives? It prompts us to seek God's comfort in times of need, just as a child turns to a loving mother for solace. It reminds us of the promise of restoration and healing, not only for ourselves but for the world around us. Isaiah 66:13 conveys a message of divine comfort, love, and the restoration of what may have been broken. It encourages us to experience God's care as we would a mother's embrace and to find hope in the promise of renewal. Thank you for sharing this moment with us. Consider supporting our channel by visiting our shop at versevisionaries.com.